Hello everybody, my name is Alex and I'll be doing my 1 minute video lab assignment. And for this test we had to remove a rack and pinion assembly from this TP Cruiser. The reason we had to remove it because there was a leak of the power steering fluid coming out from the pinion housing next to the boot. We believe that one of the seals broke, which caused the leak to come out. But before we did any task or work on this vehicle, we had to remove and clean off a lot of the dirt and carbon because it was really dirty underneath it. So as you can see, my friend John over here was using a rag and a spray cleaner to remove as much dirt as he can. But once that was done, we had to remove all the bolts that was holding onto the assembly in order to make space enough to remove it. And right here I believe I was using a 14mm socket to remove one of the bolts on the pinion housing, which was on a really tight spot. But once we remove all the bolts, you can see my team over here was able to remove the assembly slowly and put it on the ground. But we also noticed that once we compared the old assembly with the new assembly that was brought in into the shop by the owner, that the assembly that was brought in was the wrong one. So we had to give back the owner the old and the new one in order to bring the correct one for proper installation into the TP Cruiser. And that was about it for this task assignment.